In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Clickup with Gmail. This process is incredibly useful if you want to streamline your project management tasks with your emails, making your workflow more efficient and seamless. Whether you're managing personal tasks or collaborating with a team, integrating Clickup with Gmail will help you keep everything organized in one place. First, you need to open your web browser and navigate to the Clickup website. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and log into your account. Once you're in, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen where you'll find the Integrations tab. Click on this to open up the integration options. Now, from the list of available integrations, scroll down until you find Gmail. It should stand out with its familiar envelope icon. Click on it to proceed. You might be prompted to connect your Gmail account, so go ahead and click on the Connect button. This will open a new tab or window where you'll be asked to sign in to your Gmail account if you aren't already. Make sure you're signing into the account you wish to integrate with Clickup, as this will be essential later on. Once you've signed in, you will need to authorize Clickup to access your Gmail account. This is a crucial step because it allows Clickup to create tasks or manage emails as needed. Go ahead and click Allow when prompted. Remember, you can always revoke these permissions later, so don't worry about security. With the authorization done, head back to the Clickup page. You should see a confirmation that your Gmail is successfully linked. At this point, it's a good idea to check your settings. Within the integration settings, you can customize how your emails will interact with Clickup. For instance, you might want to set rules on how emails convert into tasks or whether attachments will be included. Now let's test the integration. Go to your Gmail inbox. Open an email you'd like to turn into a Clickup task. Look for the Clickup icon near your toolbar or within the email pane, click on it. A sidebar should appear, allowing you to configure the task details. You can name your task, decide on the task's due date, and even assign it to a specific list or team. Once you're happy with those details, hit the Create Task button to finalize it. Now swing back into Clickup and check your list. The email should have appeared as a task, complete with any attachments, due dates, and other details you specified. It's as simple as that. You've successfully integrated Gmail with Clickup, offering a much more convenient way to manage your tasks directly from your email inbox. So that's how you seamlessly connect Clickup with Gmail to enhance your productivity. Keep experimenting with the options in your integration settings to find the workflow that suits you best. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you eliminate some of the chaos in your daily routine.